Racing is started. We have Stormbreaker. Break quickly at the start. DreamWorks moving up on the outside. Counselor Lord Gold in the middle portion. Then comes Rocket, Fire Lady comes next, alongside comes Mika's Friday, medium well Trail of Victory, while Irish Smile is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. We have Lord Gold by our length, and in second is Counselor, 3 lengths further back. In third comes DreamWorks, Stormbreaker comes next, Pocket Rocket, Mika's Friday, then comes Fire Lady, medium well Trail of Victory, while Irish Smile is still racing and last back to the leader. We have Counselor now takes command by over the neck, down on the inside. Lord Gold moving up now on the outside is Stormbreaker. We have a Stormbreaker now takes command. Counselor drives back in second. Lord Gold then followed by DreamWorks, Fire Lady, Pocket Rocket, Mika's Friday, Trail of Victory, medium well, while Irish Smile now racing and Liz, and Diana entering the home stretch is Stormbreaker. Counselor once again fighting back down on the hillside. It's now Counselor once again takes command, dropping back in second. Stormbreaker last 100 meters. We have Counselor. Stormbreaker is on the outside, and nearing the finish line, it's all Counselor. Stormbreaker, then comes Trail of Victory, Lord Gold, Fire Lady, and DreamWorks.
7, 2, 9,
6.
6, and 5. May nakalimutan.
Oo.
Si Counselor.
Masyado matulis yung